Here's a do-it-yourself grow light stand that you can create in 4 easy steps, made from 1-inch PVC pipe. This is a simple, inexpensive yet extremely sturdy light stand. It can be used as a single holder 24 inches long or a double holder at 48 inches long. It will hold any light or combination of lights up to 48 inches long, lightweight, and can easily be disassembled for storage. Here's a list of materials that you will need to create this light stand. Step 1. Cut all the pipe to various lengths as shown in this photo. Step 2. Assemble pieces together to make sure everything fits properly. Step 3. Measure and cut chain to hang the lights. The chain allows you to raise or lower the lights as needed for the size of the plants. Step 4. Optional. Use PVC glue and glue joints together. The stand is very rigid without glue, so this step is optional. Use a 6-inch diameter by 36-inch long standard shipping tube to put all parts for storage. Here's your completed stand. Enjoy.